Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth and achieve financial success, while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer lies in the psychology of money, how our emotions, beliefs, and biases can impact our financial decisions. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of money mindset and financial bias, and discuss practical tips for overcoming these obstacles. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the impact of our childhood experiences on our money mindset. Our family, culture, and upbringing can shape our beliefs and attitudes towards money. For example, if you grew up in a family that struggled with debt, you might have a fear of taking on financial risks, even if it could lead to a higher return on investment. On the other hand, if you grew up in a family that valued frugality, you might have a hard time splurging on yourself, even if you can afford it. It's important to recognize that our childhood experiences are just one factor that can impact our money mindset. Other factors include our current financial situation, our level of financial education, and the broader societal and cultural messages about money. For example, if you're currently in debt, you might feel overwhelmed and helpless about your finances. Or, if you don't have a lot of financial knowledge, you might be more susceptible to financial scams or risky investments. Next, let's discuss the impact of our emotions on financial decision-making. We've all experienced the rush of excitement that comes from making a profitable investment, or the sinking feeling of loss when a stock plummets. However, it's important to recognize that our emotions can cloud our judgment and lead to impulsive or irrational decisions. To avoid this, try to take a step back and evaluate the situation objectively. Ask yourself, what are the potential risks and rewards of this decision? What is my long-term financial goal? Another factor that can impact our money mindset is our cognitive biases, the unconscious mental shortcuts that influence our perception of reality. For example, the confirmation bias can lead us to seek out information that supports our existing beliefs, while ignoring information that contradicts them. This can be dangerous when it comes to investing, as it can prevent us from considering alternative viewpoints and making informed decisions. Some other common cognitive biases that can impact our financial decisions include the recency bias, giving more weight to recent events, the anchoring bias, being influenced by an initial reference point, and the sunk cost fallacy, continuing to invest in something because you've already invested a lot, even if it doesn't make financial sense. So how can we overcome these biases and improve our money mindset? One approach is to practice mindfulness, being aware of your thoughts and emotions, and observing them without judgment. This can help you recognize when you're experiencing a bias or emotional reaction, and take steps to mitigate it. Another approach is to seek out diverse perspectives and opinions, read financial blogs, listen to podcasts, and attend investing seminars. This can help broaden your knowledge and challenge your existing beliefs. Finally, it's important to recognize that improving your money mindset is an ongoing process. It requires self-reflection, education, and a willingness to challenge your existing beliefs. But by doing so, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals and ultimately achieve financial success. And that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, understanding your money mindset and overcoming financial bias is key to achieving financial success. By being mindful of your emotions and biases and seeking out diverse perspectives, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.